Hey, guess what? Mr. Rich here with Auto Tips. Okay, I have a 2020 Rogue. Customer state he had a jump start the vehicle. Okay, so now let's get into the diagnosis and see what's the problem. Alright, I have the battery tester hooked up here. So it went through because I had something hooked up inside. Okay, so now you want to capture the battery, you're testing the battery. You see the picture there. This is for warranty purpose. Alright, so I go next. Now you tell me to scan the VIN, so I gotta go scan the VIN. Alright, so let's go scan the VIN. Scan the VIN on the door. So I gotta use the machine here. Alright, so now this is what I do. Scan the VIN, select it. Alright, close the door. In fact, I don't have to go, I gotta go inside. Oh, no. Now I have to look at the screen here. Next. Yes. Okay. It tells you what battery, cold crank and amp, 580. Okay. And it's a flow chart. Okay, now it's going. Alright, tell you to start the engine. So that's what I'm gonna do. Start the engine. Let it idle. You gotta turn off all the lights. Let it idle. Next. Okay, now I have to rev up the engine. Next. Gotta hold it there. Go back to idle. Next. Got to turn on the heater, AC, the headlight. Let it idle there. Hit next. Testing alternator idle. I have to rev the engine up. 3000 RPM. Next. Alright, now return to idle. Turn off everything. Headlights off. Ignition off. Next. So the battery is good. Recharge. Crank is normal. And alright, let's print it out and see. Send. And I'm gonna go hook up to the machine over there. And we're gonna go print it. Okay, now we hit print. She's gonna print out one right here. Okay, so now say here battery rating is 580 and the measure at 296 cold cranking amp. The temperature is 72 degree. Alright, so we're gonna have to give them a battery, get a battery for them. Alright, so now he also complains about, okay, at the back you can send an email too. So I go back. What after this one now? Cancel. Done. So Nissan can look at that right away. Alright, so now he complained about security light is on the car. So I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna have the engine running. This way the key wouldn't go off. So I'm gonna hook up the console to it. This is the VI I'm gonna put in here. Is wireless, Bluetooth setup. Plug in the VI. And this is the VI. Right here. Alright, start it up. You see what light is on. He has, there's a seat belt is there. I don't see any security light. Let's see where the security light is. The security light is a not light, but I don't see. We start it up. Alright. Let's get a console hooked up and see what I find. Alright, I have it here set up. Okay, home. Let's see what happened. Alright, up here it picks up the VI right here. Let's go. Confirm that. Okay, so it's still going. Hang in. Just take time. Everything take times, man. I wish if they have a computer, you could just hook it up and it goes zip, zip, zip. That's it, you know. But you gotta read all the module in there. 88%, 90%. There you go. Let me see if I have anything like in the security system. Failure in the security. is coming up, coming up, coming up. And nothing in security. Passcode, I had an occupancy, that's the passenger seat, and then sonar system, and ADAS control system. So anytime you have, that was a camera for the ADAS, and for the bumpers, sonar system, that's in the bumper. So that's nothing, no security there. So I'm gonna print this code out and see, clear it, should go away. Oh, maybe he think that's the security. This, maybe he think that's security. ADAS, not ADAS, the occupancy sensor. Alright, so I print that out. Let me see. I'm gonna take the codes, erase all the codes, see what happens. See if that return. Alright, so clear the codes. So that's it. I'm gonna have to drive it and see if the light comes back on for the ADAS. Alright, so they all work together, you know, like the sonar, the radar. Once the sonar triggers, it triggers the ADAS control. So they all work in junction. So I'll clear the code and send the guys to drive it and see what comes up. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is sell them a battery, and that's it. Alright, take it easy. Please hit that subscribe button, and use that thumbs up. Alright, so I can make some more tips for you guys. Alright, later.